Welcome to Born Cottage. Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers' demand. So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details. So keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 40 feet shipping container. The total area I have taken is the length is 40 feet in meter 12 meter and the width is 8 feet in meter 2.43 meter. In the front we have door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement and also TV unit on the front wall, and we have kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also we have two large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. And if we go on the right side, so we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement and two large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. If we go on the left side, so we have 3 feet wide passage here, and on the right side we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And if we go on the left side, so we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement and two large size window for ventilation and light purpose. Also we have a sliding door for rear entrance and a wardrobe arrangement for storage purpose. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on this screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.